Mountain climbers are a bodyweight plyometric exercise that works well to increase your cardio and strength fitness levels. To begin, get into a push-up position. Support your weight on your toes and hands. Bring one leg forward close to your hip by flexing your knee and hip. Your other leg remains straight back on your toes. This will be the starting position. To perform the movement, explosively reverse positions of your legs, bringing your opposite leg towards your hip. Repeat this alternating movement for the intended number of reps or time. Count 1 rep each time you flex the same leg you started. So, right leg forward, left leg forward equals 1 rep. The primary muscles used in this exercise are the quadriceps, which extend the knee. The specific muscles of the quadricep are the rectus femoris, vastus lateralis, vastus medialis, and vastus intermedius. Other muscles used are the chest, hamstrings, and shoulders.